Dear students, today we complete that 9th and 10th problem on the linear equation in one variable. Let's we take solve the 9th and 10th problem in exercise 2.1. So that is the solution given. So here the denominator is 3, that's why multiply throughout 3 on both sides. So then we get 3 of 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 3 of 26 by 3 minus 5. So now split it, multiply monomial to binomial, we get 3 of 2y plus 3 of 5 by y 3 is equal to 3 of 26 by 3 minus 3 of y. Here 3 get cancelled in numerator and denominator, so we can take another 1 za, that's why 3 2 za 6y plus 5 is equal to 26 minus 3y. So it is the linear equation, one variable. Now the variable can be taken on one side, that is LHS part, and RHS part taking constant. Then we get 6y plus 3y is equal to 26 minus 5. So here minus 3y transfer to LHS, we get plus 3y, and plus 5 can be transferred to RHS, it will become minus 5. So now we get 9y, LHS can be added, here LHS is subtracted, for constant we get 21. So y is equal to 21 by 9, and divide by 3 both, so 3 3 is